Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me to a new week. The Australian dollar wrapped up on Friday to a bearish sentiment and the market is now edging closer towards that support level seen at 71.6070. It is anticipated, viewing from the technical aspect, that is, that we could see further pressure and a break of this level, which would expose the region that's been waiting for a challenge of 70.90 for some time. Nevertheless, the market is poised for a further test down, so let's see how the support holds around that level of 71.60. With the US dollar index that measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies ending flat, the euro still remains somewhat mixed. The policy seating for the Federal Open Market Committee, which is also known as the FOMC, opens its two-day meeting on Tuesday. With no rate increase likely to be seen this week, it is widely anticipated that the central bank will begin hiking rates in March. If so, then the dollar index is expected to rise further. Currently trading around 95.70, the market is expected to rise up towards 96 and therefore should see the euro eventually tumble down towards its broader target, which is seen around 111 figure 50. The dollar yen case has reached its downside target, which was seen roughly around 113.70. It is viewed now whether or not the bulls will come back into play here, as we can see last time challenging these lows that we've got a dragonfly doji which is relatively bullish and therefore could see a short-term rebound or some profit taking since the market fell away from that top side around 116. Sterling reaches also its target of 135.35 on Friday, and now from the open this morning may see a little bit of a mixed play. Nevertheless, if this level fails to hold, then we could be looking down towards 134.65 before rebounding. I'm not going to get overly negative on the pound because I feel that there is further upside potential, and that is due to the broader aspect that the market may go back towards this level around 137.5 and reassess. The weakness in yen may continue. It's been some time that the market has, well, I've been calling for this downward slide and now reaching it through the next target, that is of 90.30, that we could see a further weaker play down towards the region of 89.60.80 and reassess from there. Since the rejection from gold around that 1,848, the market, or even to the point, failing to sustain above the 1,842, is that we could see further weakness into this week and therefore look for a slide. Once we see a break of 31, could see a drop down towards 1,824 or even down towards the bottom side of the range around 1,800 and reassess from there. A very whippy price action for oils after it's rejected the 7-year highs is now trying to stage another comeback. However, given from the recent 2-day sell-off and also the weaker RSI, keep an eye on this because it is viewed that we could see a drop down towards $81 this week and reassess. Well, that wraps up the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please join me later for the wrap up of the day and also keep an eye out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.